Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa. Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa. My name is Fafa Gilbert, and today on the menu I do have this creative Kelewele muffin recipe. You heard me right. Let's start. Now, Kelewele is one of those things that you have to try if you ever visit Ghana. Or more so, you can actually find the recipe in one of my videos and you can emulate it. It's a popular snack from Ghana, and it's ripened plantain that is mixed with special spices, and then it's fried. And because the plantain is ripened, when you fry it, it's almost candy-like and spicy, sweet. It's just incredible. And I'm actually infusing those spices in making these muffins. So for the spices, I've actually got my aniseed, I've got my pimenton, cloves, black peppercorns, chilies, onion, and also ginger. Now, I would leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog in ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check that out. I'll leave a link at the top as well. So here I've got my 2 over-ripened plantains that I'm actually just mashing, just roughly, so you actually have that rough consistency, but you don't want it to be too lumpy, but just right, as you can see that I'm actually doing here. So I think this is just beautiful. So at this point, what I'm actually going to do is add my blended mixture. So I've blended everything together, and I'm adding 2 tablespoonfuls of it with a pinch of salt, and I'm going to mix everything together. And as I always say, mix it till it's well combined. Now at this point, I'm actually going to make this muffin into a gluten-free dish. So I'm actually using the roasted corn powder, which we use for the Tom Brown. You can use your normal flour, but for a gluten-free version, it's great to actually use the Tom Brown. At this point, add your egg and mix everything together till it's well combined. Unfortunately for me, when I was filming and adding the baking powder, that was omitted. It didn't film, so sorry. So you just need to actually add half a teaspoon of baking powder to allow this to rise. Now at this point, I've melted some coconut oil for that beautiful moisture as well, and I've added it to the mixture, and I'm mixing it all together. Now at this point, you need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees, and you need to get your muffin tins out and grease your muffin tins. This would prevent your muffin from actually sticking into the tin. Now I've actually just used these small sizes, so which means that this is going to cook so quickly. Now just carefully fill the mixture, and then yes, you're almost ready. I think this looks beautiful, don't you think? This is not any other food. This is Ndudu. This is such an easy snack to actually make for your kids to take to school, or even for you to actually have for breakfast. It's gluten-free and it's just incredible. So that's ready. Bish bash bosh into the oven, and just under 8 to 10 minutes, there we have it. Voila. It's nice and golden and beautiful, and it's nice and hot. So you've got the spiciness, from the chilies, the ginger, and then you've got the sweetness from the over-ripened plantain. This is called patty in your mouth, straight to your mouth. Una. I told you, this is not any other food. This is the golden nuggets. It's Ndudu by Fafa. Ife kunwe kwe wajami enyo chimpe is I gonna do deep padia yo. Anyway, don't do any chimpe with this one. Hey, akbalo po mowelo ndutwa villa miwenamla. Thank you very much for watching, and you will find the transcript of this recipe, including the list of ingredients and measurements, on my blog in ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. I'm also on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as Ndudubyfafa, so do pass by and say hi. Do not forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and until next time, be nice, be you, be beautiful, and I love you.